Okagbo. Okagbo, bring out your hand. Come and confront me if you are a man. Come out from behind the curtains. When you touch my son, you touch the tiger's tail, and that is a declaration of war. Come out from hiding. Bring your empty head out. Come out. Okagbo. Come out. Okagbo. Ah!
Okagbo and Amalukia have finished themselves. Amitie! Stop! What is it?
I had a terrible dream.
A dream?
Yes. An enemy tried to kill my Anna. Mama, I need to check on him. The prayer woman warned us.
Don't ever say something again. You want your father to skin you alive? Say it again. Please, keep quiet. It's okay. I don't want you to mention that name ever in this house.
Mama, but you know that is not possible.
It's okay, Pico. He will kill me. Pico.
What's the matter? Oh, okay. What is wrong?
I had another terrible dream.
Fine. You know we're not supposed to be seen together. Let's hide somewhere and talk about it. And besides, we have to go for extramural class later.
Who cares about all of that when I'm at the verge of losing the one I love to the enemy's arrow? We need to complete the prayers from Mama Ekbere.
Okay, I don't care about that. What I care about is protecting you. That's what's important. Okay?
Why did you allow my daughter to go out of this house with her 2 legs? Why did you allow her to go and meet that Ahana, that useless boy, the son of my enemy? Why did you allow her? Or have you forgotten that Hane is going to wipe the entire family of Abalose? Have you forgotten the oath they took against our kindred for the possession of our lands? Have you forgotten?
I know that, but Chimamanda is very stubborn.
Shut up, your mouth. Abalose and his kindred are to be treated like plagues because of the effect of the oath that I foresee. Did you hear me? Our daughter must never associate with them at all. Let that girl come back. She will have me to contend with. I blame you. I blame you. I blame you for everything.
I'm sorry, Biko, no. I know that, but you know a full-grown girl like that cannot be slaughtered into the pockets and be zipped up.
Shut up! You should have told her where she comes from. You should have told her that she is the daughter of Okagbo, the son of Ekete. Not an Efulefu. Did you hear me?
I did. I told her before she ran out.
I am going to contend with Abalose. Why he should allow his son Ahana to come close to my daughter. I am going to destroy him.
Nani, are you around?
What's wrong?
They are together again. I saw them with my 2 eyes.
Which people?
Our son, of course. Our only son. With that Chima, the daughter of Okagbo. The girl that father she will see us lose our only son.
So, what is wrong with that?
Is that what you're asking me?
Listen, I am Abalose Ngene, a Kulungene Nwo. Hence the people of Uich have made us the people of Uich to take an oath and accusing us of what we know nothing about. I shall not be afraid of anyone. If their plan is to wipe us all out, then we shall go down with as many as we can amongst them.
Nani, instead of creating more problems, why don't we just allow these people to be like the oracle commanded us until and it vindicates us?
Let us just allow them to be. And after the vindication, we will have no more case to answer.
Chidelo, let the trouble brew. Let it rain. Let it pour if it likes. Let the heavens fall. I shall not be afraid of anybody. I am the Lion of the Woods. I will protect the interest of my son. And whoever comes between us will be downed. Show me the direction where they are. Show me.
As far as I'm concerned, we already have too much problem on our hands. Why don't we just leave these people to be? Let them be.
Woman.
Yanni will vindicate us.
Woman.
Please, my husband.
Don't show me the direction. I am going there myself.
My husband, please come back, oh. I don't know what is happening to my husband.
I've heard you, my love. But you need to go home and prepare for class. Please. One thing I promise you is that our love will weather the storm. As usual.
Why the obstacles? Why the oath your people were made to take against ours? Why is your kindred associated with scorn? Why, my love? Why?
You have asked me this question several times in the past. Several times. And I will give you the answer that I give you all the time. Time heals like a wound, my love. Things come and they pass. This too shall come to pass, I promise you. What crime has my kindred committed apart from owning or possessing several lands? Is that it? Then your kindred accused my kindred of killing your own people to possess these lands and then possess the kingship, which is a lie. Hence the oath.
No matter what they do, no matter what they say, I will marry you or I die.
My heart beats for you, my love. You are love personified. Nothing on this earth can separate me from you.
My life, you are my love. You are my life. You are the one I'm living for.
You need to hurry. Please. Go home and go and prepare for class. We're late. Listen to me. Listen. Your education is as important as the love that we share. Okay? Please.
Okay, but I want you to come home with me so we can go together.
No, my love, you know that that's not possible. Your father will kill me if he sees me anywhere near your home. Okay, here's what we will do. I will wait for you outside school. And I will not go in until you come. I promise. I promise.
Okay, I'll go home and prepare. But from school, we'll go to Mama Ikpere so we can tell her the dream.
Alright, I will do that.
You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are mine.
Run along. Go. Go now. Okay, my love, there is no time. You need to go. I'll be waiting for you, okay? Go. Oh. You know I want to stay here all day, forever, if I could, but...
You are my
See you soon. I'll be waiting.
You are the one I'm living for.
Oh.
Come rain or
Go
shine.
now, please, my love.
Yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my love. You are my life. You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine. I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my
Hey! Abalusia ngene. Ekuru ngene. Hey! Abalusia, the head of the Umwizu clan. Who are you going to kill again to acquire more land for your people? Ogene.
Ichokunwigwedo. Let me sound a note of warning to you. Anytime you see me, to do you a world of good to shut that your dirty mouth. If not, I'm going to send this your skull to the place of skulls.
Place of God. That is Golgotha. Our Golgotha. In case you don't know the name, but let me also warn you. Before you will be able to do anything to me, Annie, this Annie, will wipe you and your kindred away. You better warn your son, Hannah, to leave Okabu's daughter alone, Chima. Let him leave Chima alone. If not, Annie, we wipe you and your kindred away before the grace time.
I will not trade words with an insignificant person like you. Go and get me my mattock away from your community. Let me stand face to face with him. This is out of killed you. But anyway, I just realized that it would be a waste of my bullets on a stupid skull like yours.
I'm telling you, I am on your own, immortal. And let me tell you, you see your clan, Umizu, is what I now rebranded as Umuozu. Ozu. And let me also tell you something now. I am going to tell Okabwe that your son, Ahanna, have already taken Otuaka from his daughter Chima this early morning. Ahim, with my 2 naked eyes. I am going to tell him. And let me warn you, if you think you are crazy, Inamkwamo. Okabwe is like fuel. Okunere.
Like I told you, I do not banter words with idiots like you. It's a bloody waste of my time. But one thing I'll promise you is that soon, trust me on this, I will feed you with Gamalino too. And then you will dissolve into the ground. Nobody will see your corpse.
I am immortal. On your own gamble, let me tell you, I am the only person you and your kindred will continue to contend with in this community. I'm gonna lie, you know. I am the only person you will contend with. Rather than you to take my land or my corpse, instead of my corpse to fall on the ground, it is you and your family. Woo! Let me go and tell Okafu. Yes! Okay. Hey!
Papa, Pico, Papa, please.
You are not afraid. You are not afraid, Jim. After all the warnings, you still stepped out of this house to meet that useless boy, Hannah. The cursed child, the son of my greatest enemy. You went to see him. The people in the community said we should avoid until they come out of the allegation leveled against them. So you are coming from there, eh?
Papa, please, Biko. Yes. Let her go and prepare first. Go ahead, Illiterate. Oh?
So you know that she is still a student, and you allowed her to go and see that useless boy, Hannah.
No, I did not allow her. I've explained to you. Biko, no.
Henceforth, I forbid you getting out of this house until your brain comes back to normal. If they have gone to meet a Dibia, to prepare a charm with which he uses to control you and manipulate you, I am going to meet a greater Divya who will give me the cure. Yes! Now get inside! Get inside! Get inside!
Don't be afraid, son. That gun salute was for you.
That girl you caught is a big fish. If you desire to make her yours, go ahead. You have the backing of your fearless father. And by large, the Umuizu kindred. Don't be afraid. Listen, go ahead. Whatever we spite or come away is what I desire.
Papa, please. Look, I know that you're not at peace with them. I know that. Most especially Okabwe. But Papa, I want you to understand that this matter is... It's an issue of love. Not about settling manly scores. No. I love Chima. I love her very, very much. And I will do anything within my power to bring peace within our kindred and their kindred, so that I can marry Chima without any hassles.
Oh, what hassles do you foresee?
What hassles do you foresee, son? When I am alive? Have you forgotten who I am? I am the lion of Umuizu. Listen, if there is any obstacle on the way, I will clear it with this gun, Papa. Don't be afraid, just go ahead. I know it will spite Okabwe. I know he will beat her. But kidnap her. Take her wherever you want. Do anything you want to do. Don't be afraid, son. Son of a lion is a lion.
Papa, stop it. Stop this. Stay out of this. I have told you before and I'm telling you again, stay out of this. What you're planning and encouraging me to do will only bring tension to an already tense situation and breed more animosity.
I will feed on them, son. I will feed on them. They have spited us for long. Far too long. If they don't allow us have our peace, then I will not allow them have peace. Never! Anna! You saw them doing it in the bush with your two naked eyes? I am I.
Oh, what? With my two cocoa eyes inside the bush. Oh, okay, well, let me die if I lie. I'm Mafumishi.
There is no need to swear. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is the height of Israel. The very height. Leave the war for me. Just leave the war for me.
I don't understand what you're saying. You mean her father locked her up in a store because of me?
Yes. I went to see her. Then she gave me a sign. I realized it was pen and paper she wanted. When I gave it to her, she wrote this later.
Okay, where is it?
You have to.
Where is the letter now? Have you thrown it away?
No. She said I should give it to you.
Love of my life, the one and only that I can ever have. As you read this, I'm locked up in a store. My only offense being that I am crazily and madly in love with you. But I say that if love is a crime, I prefer to remain here than being free and losing your love. With all these trials, my love for you only grows stronger. I love you and will be your lovely wife and mother of all your children. Nothing can separate us. Your one and only sweet love, Chima.
They can do what they like, but I really don't care.
Nothing on this earth can separate me from you.
You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine.
I'll be waiting for you, okay?
My life, you are my love. You are my life. You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life.
What are you eating?
You could take your food and eat.
I'm not hungry.
Chimamanda, I know you are hungry, but you are very angry. Eh? If your father had listened to me and had given me the keys, I would let you out of this place.
Mama, you and Papa can go ahead and eat the food. Eat the food and let me just die here so that both of you can rest.
They don't talk like that now. We are enemies with the people of Umizu. Your father wants the best for you. Eh? Can't you see it?
The best and the very best is only Ahana. I'm even wasting my time talking to you because if I don't marry him, I will go ahead and die here. I will end it all by dying.
Hey! Chimamanda! Biko, don't talk like that, Biko. It's not to my logo. Hey! Kabuero.
Chima!
Mama, Biko, leave me. I don't want to eat.
Mama, it's me, Naza. I brought a message for you.
What message? Eh? What message?
Mama, it's an assignment. I help her to do it, so I brought it for her to sign. So
Give it to me. Give me.
Mama, it's my assignment.
Hey, your assignment. You go the assignment. Have you seen it? Well, assignment. Ngwa. Una.
Silence! Keep quiet!
My love, my life, my world. I received your letter. Sad as I was, I still take pride in you. I am telling you now that whosoever criminalizes our love shall have us incarcerated inside one prison of love. The more the trials, the more I love you more and more. My morning sun, please know it wherever and whenever, that the only thing that shall separate you and I ever is death. Besides that, nothing else matters. I love you and will continue to do so till the end of my life. Yours forever in love, Ahanna.
You idiot! Have I not warned you? Have I not warned you? Stop coming close to my daughter.
What have I done? Please, sir. Sir, I'm
Say anything here again, I will sever your head. You small devil, son of a bigger devil, Agbalosia. Now, who do you think you are?
I am Ahanna. I am just a simple boy who loves your daughter dearly.
What?
I have done nothing wrong, Okabwe. Please.
You know, my
please, sir.
Stupid! Will you keep your mouth shut? Rubbish. Now listen to me. You small rat. I am Okabwe, the leader of Umuchi clan. The people that your wicked kindred want to eliminate and take their land. Your father is my greatest enemy. I am supposed to kill and bury you here, but no. I will give you the very last chance. If you dare come close to my daughter again, I will kill you!
But I love your daughter.
Stop loving my daughter! Stop loving! Come and run away from me! Run away. Listen, there will be no more other chance for you.
They can pull me, but they will never pull me away from
Chinelo,
Nine.
if the reason my son is not back from school by this time is truly connected to witch.
Nani, why do you always like feeding on trouble?
They started it first. They called us thieves. They called us names. The people of Umwich called us murderers. I will not stay alive and take that from them. Even Naka, the elder from our kindred, told me moments ago that he saw Okabwe striding into the footpath leading to Ahanna's school with a machete.
Eh?
Oh, if indeed it is connected with my son's inability to return, then you will see.
Nani,
Hey!
you were told a thing like that, and you're still here ranting. Were you not supposed to go and find out the truth? Our son, the only son. No, now.
You have just spoken the truth.
Please go and find out the
First
truth.
time. Let me talk
Eh?
about that.
Nothing should happen to my only son, oh. My son, Machete, rode to the school. But even the gods of this land know that I will not take it.
Oh, what do I go? Hey! How about Lucia, God for my death? That he will send my head to Golgotha. Eh? I have already pitched my tent with Umichi. Let it flow! Yeah, but until are brought to their knee. Eh? Okay. Let me increase my speed and run straight to Okabu and find out if he's the one that dealt with this son of a basaga. Let me go. With what I have done to that useless boy, Anna, I know he will never come close to my daughter again. Egbe, appropriate. Let me go and untie her. Rubbish! My daughter, you are no longer under spell. Did you hear me? I have destroyed Hannah. Yes, I destroyed his charm.
Papa, what did you do to my love?
Papa, what did you do?
If an enemy treats in the ban of a king, What do you expect? Ostracization. Yes, I have destroyed him. I destroyed him. I destroyed Anna. You are not free.
Papa.
I will no more lock you inside. No more. You are free now. Go in and
No, Papa. I will not. I will sit here until you tell me what you did.
Azuka, come here.
I'm not going anywhere. You will tell me what you did to my love.
Go and bring her food. How she will eat it.
Mama, Biko, leave me. Apumaka. Let me bring her.
Go inside. Let me bring her. Go and bring her. Come here. Come. Anna! It is over. Over!
Anna, who did this to you? I said, who did this to you?
I had a fight with some boys from this.
Once again, I'm asking you, who did this to you? Because from your eyes, I know you're lying.
No, I'm telling you the truth. It's the truth.
Oh, okay, then take me to whoever it is that did this to you. And then I'm going to beat them blue-black. Unless they're from Immerse.
The main person is from a neighboring village, and he ran away immediately after the fight. I don't even know him.
Anna, did Okabwe and his kinsmen do this to you? Did they beat you because of Chinma, the daughter of Okabwe?
No, never. He would never do that. As a matter of fact, 3 youths from Umuichi fought on my side.
Oh, Anna, I am your father. You cannot lie to me. I know you very well. You're lying from your heart. You're lying, you know it. Just tell me they did it to you. Please, I'm looking for an opportunity so I can break them into pieces.
Okay, calm down, Papa. Just calm down. Calm down. See, Papa, please, I beg you. I don't want you to fight anymore. Don't make any trouble. Please. You know I love Chima and I can take any kind of pain for the sake of our love. Let's go home. I'll be fine.
Go to which home? You just confirmed my suspicion. Okabwe and his people did this to you. Watch what I'm going to do.
Papa, don't do this. Papa, please. Papa, I'm fine. It's just a scratch.
Okabwe. Bring out your empty head. Come and confront me if you're a man. Come out from behind the curtains. When you touch my son, you touch the tiger's tail. And that is a declaration of war. Come out from hiding. Bring your empty head out. Come out. Okabwe. Come out. Okabwe. Ah!
Okabwe and Amalukia have finished themselves.
Okay, Mama, see, the real reason I came home is to beg you to follow me to Okabwe's house. My love will be in danger now. The way Papa went there, the anger with which Papa was marching to that place, whatever he's going to do will increase the tension between us and them. So let's just go. Let's go there.
Hannah, you want to go there with this bloody nose? Let me clean it first. Then take you to a chemist store where I can treat you. Anywhere you want to go, you can now go.
What are Hannah? By then it will be too late now, Mama. It will be too late. I'm telling you that Papa went there with anger. And he's going to probably commit an atrocity there that will aggravate the tension between us and them. The enmity will increase. Mama Biko, let me just go there.
Sit down. No, you're not going anywhere.
I'm fine.
Please, not why I am.
Mama, I'm fine.
Oh, you want to go there and do what?
Mama, I'm fine. Mama, I'm fine now. Let me go.
Now it is war, Mama. Gunshots, Mama. All in a bid to stop us. Mama. Why? Why, Mama? Why? Why is love so wicked? Why, Mama? Why? No, don't worry.
One day you will understand. You know, Iji Egika has rushed your father to a health center. And I have to go there and be with him. I had no other choice than to lock you up. Because if I allow you, you will escape and go and meet that boy also. Don't worry, this madness will end one day. I took you out of that store. That was why I had to bring you out of that place. You better sit down here. Else your father will throw you back to that place. And a man like here. So sit down and wait for me. Sit down here and wait for me, Chimamanda.
Look at where all this thing is leading us to now. What have you gained?
I shot him in his hands, almost killing him. Thinking I would have left him like that.
If you have succeeded in killing him, is he going to take the place of the meat in your soup?
He laid his filthy hands on my son. I saw my son's blood. I'm a lion and I could not just leave it like that.
Our son is in love with that girl. Our son is in love with her. And he is ready to die for her. The sooner you start realizing it, the better for you.
Wait, Chinedu. I don't get it. Are you with me or with our enemies?
Nani, whether with you or with our enemies, one thing I want to make clear here is that if anything happens to my son, my only son, if anything happens to him, Chinelo will not take it. I will not take it.
Please go and bring me the balm here and the chemist. Stop using all that. Hey, did you say you would lock her up all through the night?
Yes, I did. If not, she will run away and go and see that boy.
Please, I don't want to go inside. I want to have my rest here. Let me have fresh air here. Go and unlock her, please. I know she must cry it all through the night. She must be tired.
Okay, nice.
Go and unlock her.
Okay.
This situation is really bad.
Listen,
really bad.
I am going to deal with that devil, Abalusia. I am going anywhere I see him. It's not free.
The door is broken. Huh? She's not there. She ran away. What I can't go. She ran away again. The door is broken.
Pursue her! Pursue!
Leave the issue.
No.
Leave the issue of the girl first and concentrate on yourself. Have you forgotten what the dispenser said?
Hey! She must have run back to the son of my enemy. And they must be together now. I know it. Hey! Ichika, Abalusa will not have an edge over me. I am going to show him I am going to show him who I am and what we are as a people.
Okagwe, it's alright. It's alright. It is alright. Concentrate yourself and get well first. Woman, get us water quick. Hey, we are Umuichi and we are with you. Hey. Yeah. Here's the water. Be fast. It's
alright. It's alright.
It is okay. Just, it's alright. Bring it down. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Anna! Chinelo! Where's my son? He's not there, the door is broken.
No, he should be there. I heard sounds from that room before going to the backyard to watch.
I said he's not there.
How?
What do you mean how? Hey!
Nani, why now? You almost killed them all.
I aimed at her, not them.
Was she not the one you said yesterday that you mentioned that he does everything to marry her?
That was then, not now. Not anymore, since that useless man decided to want to kill my son and then kill me. As long as I'm alive, nothing that concerns Umuichi will ever live around me.
Nani.
Never. Listen, they want us dead. How can I wish them life?
Nani, I don't know where all this trouble will lead us to. Why can't you dream of peace just for one day? Let us give this oath some time and allow Diana to take judgment. Nani, the way you're going about all this thing, if anything happens to you, I will just take my son and follow another man.
Eh?
Yes.
Chinelo, did it fall out of your mouth or you said it on purpose?
Nani, I said it. If you want to be alive to keep enjoying Chinelo, then stop all this trouble.
Oh, you said this? Now I really know who you are. I thought I had enemies outside. I didn't know I had enemies within. Follow another man, let me see.
You must have been dead now. There's no point doing this thing you're doing. Yeah, I've told you.
Chinelo!
If anything happens to you, I will take my son and follow another man. This thing that you normally cherish in my body, you better be alive to keep enjoying it all. Because I'll take my son and we'll follow another person.
Forget it. Stop laughing.
I'm serious, forget it.
Stop laughing and get serious now. You could have easily gotten killed.
I'm not scared of getting killed. Look, I can do anything for you. I can take a bullet for you. I can even catch a grenade. Yes, I can catch a grenade. I can go to any extent to show you how much I care for you.
Now you want to make me cry.
You've not even seen anything yet. You've not. Hey! Let the birds of the sky, let the trees bear me witness. Let the winds and the animals in the forest bear witness to the love that I have for you, Chima. To the love I have for you. Whether dead or alive, the love I have for you remains pure. Let the enemy's arrows come from every direction, come from every angle. Attack us. I will love you forever.
I just want to stay here in your arms and not doing anything.
Chima, okay. I want to stay with you too all day and not go anywhere, all year if possible, but we have to go to school. We have to go to school today. Remember, after everything that happened yesterday, we need to go to school today. And we have a test. Remember? Yes. So, let's get dressed, okay?
Okay.
You once told me that if not that we are related, you would have brought your son to come and marry my daughter.
Yes,
I heard about that.
I did. He told me he loves her dearly.
Very good. I think I see both of them that way. They love themselves. Now, you know what is going to happen. You go and get one person from your family and get the few necessary requirements for marriage so that my daughter becomes the wife of Nwokolo. And it must be tonight. Please. Yes.
Okabwe, how can that be possible knowing we cannot intermarry?
It is very possible. You're right. Sacrifice is made. Yes.
How?
With 7 cows, the way will be paved for both of them to get married to each other. That is all.
Okabwe.
Yes.
Okabwe, do you want to sell me? How on earth, from where do you think I will be able to raise money to get 7 cows for any sacrifice?
Don't worry. If that is your problem, don't worry. I am ready to assist you. Instead of allowing that son of a goat, the son of that useless man, Abalosia, my greatest enemy, to come and take away my daughter. I would rather sell my lands and buy the 7 cows to make sure that both of them get married. That is it.
Okabwe one name.
They can pull me, but they will never pull me away from you. They can do what they like, but I really don't care as long as I'm with you. You are my love, you are my life, you are the one I'm living for.
How do you mean you've not seen her? How do you mean you've not seen Chimama? You are only her best friend. Are you keeping her from me? Are you keeping her for that son of a goat?
Stop calling Hannah a son of a goat. He is not. Let me tell you, you cannot get married to my friend Chimama. She is related to you. Let her be with the one she loves. Let her be.
That's where you're wrong. Let me tell you something. For your information, there are sacrifices that can be made that will break the blood bond between us. Before sunset, she will be mine.
You become mad. You are mad.
Come here. Come here. Look, let me tell you something. For your information, my father is already in their house with the marriage materials. All of you have failed. She will be mine. She will become Nwokolo's bride. Get out.
You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my love, you are my life. You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life.
century to one, century to all. How can you do this to my brother?
How come you decided to marry off Chimma? Chimma Nkemkwa without letting me know? Homie, Ichokumwe Guedo. Only no Kura Kembo. You don't tell him. How come you just forgot about me? Or on the fact that I took sides with your people? You know all this guy. Hi, Azoka.
Hey, Ichoku, why are you talking like this? Nobody has married off Chima to anybody. How can they marry Chima without me knowing? We have to wait for this crisis to be over now. Is it now go Chimonya na Anusia?
I cannot deceive me. I saw Mazidika and Agama leading with cartons of beer, 2 bars of yam, and other marriage items heading into your husband's house.
No, Nkem.
One.
My own husband's house.
Remember the story of Chimma and Wokolo? Love one tente. I think it's coming to pass. Nkukale, let me go into that bush and Imano, you can hear. Then I'll go back and join them.
Hey! My own house! Hey! Chimo! Okabwe bueno mo! Okabwe!
You're welcome. Enjoy yourself. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Azu, come.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Our great in-laws. Even to greet them. Open your mouth and greet them.
My in-laws, kwa. Oh, Naidi, I greet you.
You're welcome.
We greet you too.
No, but I'm at loss. What is happening here?
Idika has come in the company of Agama to pay the bride price of our daughter. She has to leave this house very soon to join her husband, Nwokolo.
Bride price?
Yes. From henceforth, our daughter is the wife of Nwokolo.
Dowry?
Yes.
Please, we need to talk. We need to
talk. No. Listen, there is nothing to talk about.
There is something to talk about.
No, there is nothing to talk about. I am ready to sell off all my assets to perform the rite of purification for unification. So that the blood bond will give way for consummate union.
Hey! I think we need to see you in private.
No. No, I am not seeing you in private. As you can see, I have collected the bride price. We are almost rounding off the marriage, right? And so, if you want to join us, join us. Come and have a bottle. But if no, you can go. My brothers.
Let us go.
Cheers!
Cheers!
The way it is now is that when we...
Anna!
I'm also looking for them. Where are they?
Okay, stay away from me. I don't have any business with you. Leave me alone.
You lie. I know you too well. I know you look for a way to go and inform her so she can escape this marriage. But you lie.
Okay, stay away from me. Stay away from me.
Never, you
stay
lie.
Away from me. Leave me.
Look, I will tie you up until she becomes mine. Come here. Are you alright, Chinelo? What did you just say?
That I'm going to see my friend Azuka, Okabwe's wife.
When did that start?
Today. We talked as women. And we decided to do that which you people failed to do, which is to find peace.
Chinelo, now I know you are mentally deranged. What did they give you?
None. Since you men decided to choose the path of war, we have decided to do the path of peace. We are the people that carried these children. We gave birth to them. We know the pain of losing one. Off I go. Thank God you don't have the left. to trust me.
Chinelo, come back here. Chinelo, if you step out. Chinelo!
Azuka,
Nine.
I don't care whatever agreement that you have with the wife of my greatest enemy, that big goat. But I want to warn you of the consequence that any day I see that woman step into this compound again, it is our dead body that will be carried away from this place.
Eh?
And I mean it.
Nani, what you did was wrong. How can you just marry off Chima like that as if she's a nobody? What you did was totally wrong.
I have already collected the bride price of Chima. Of course, you should be aware that Chima is now the wife of Nwokolo. They are only waiting as a wife. No going back. Did you hear me? If she likes, let her sneak into this house. I know you abet crime very well.
Okay, you've collected the bride price.
Yes. Come on, God, another day, another fall. Come on, God, another day, another fall. Ahengai, Wokolo Widika. Why are you standing here with a cutlass, waiting for your wife?
Shh. Ishoku, stop shouting. I am monitoring. I have a very big enemy.
Monitor lizard. Listen, let me tell you. I have a big advice for you. Open your eyes. Open your eyes wider until you grab her. Open your eyes wide until you grab her. Because that's your enemy. He's a very, very known one. Oh. You have to be careful. If not, what he shall leave for you in Chima will be nothing but Ukutalata, wasted waste, leftover, tokumbo. Be wise. Second advice, move fast. Run as if a demon is pursuing you. Move. Check all the corners, all the bending corners. Move fast. Because if you don't go fast, he might be in one bending corner. Take it to Aka. Ahimahe. Move fast.
Lada, 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 oh, I love Jesus, lada. Lada, 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 oh, I love Jesus, lada, lada, follow me, lada, follow me, lada, follow me, lada, to heaven, lada, follow me. Oh, what do I see? Oh, Emmanuel, what do I see? Emosi, holy mama, Jesus, what will I do then? Hori mama, sheri mama. Hori mama, sheri mama, sheri mama. Robokoto. The story must be told. Jesus. Not in a way. But in a way. To hear Reke, Robokoto, sheri mama. Oh, Jesus. Emmanuel, the most. I am listening. I am your servant. Emmanuel! Jesus! Thank you, Jesus.
My brothers and my in-law. I am very sorry. Indeed sorry. We all know the situation surrounding that girl, Mandy. I know that in no time she will be sneaking into this house. And then I will grab her and give her over to you. So, please, be more patient. Bikono.
Oh? We are patient. She's precious and worth the pains of the waiting.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, you are very correct. As far as I'm concerned, I am prepared to wait.
Good. Very good.
It is worth it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We should wait. The waste is worth waiting for. We wait.
You are my love, you are my life, you are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine.
We're almost at your house.
You are my love.
I think I should just walk you into the house and then face whatever your father has to say.
Huh?
Yes.
No, not again. Not today again. Don't worry, my love. Go home. I'll be fine. Huh?
Fine. No, I'll walk you home. Okay, at least I'll walk you close to your house.
Look. You what? Are you okay?
Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Thank God I found you both. Just look for anywhere and hide. Look for any place and go to. Anywhere you can hide, just go and hide.
Why?
Why?
Your father has already married you off to Nwokolo and they are waiting to take you home.
Married to me?
Yes, you. Just like... Hey!
Follow the ladder to heaven, sister, follow the ladder, follow the ladder, follow the ladder to heaven, brother, follow.
Wait.
I knew you people will come.
Wait. There's trouble.
I saw it before it came.
Mama Ekpere, they paid my bride price.
To be married to the one who's supposed to be your blood. And your father will go to any length to make sure you do not marry Ahana. And he has a plan to sell all his assets just to perform the traditional rites that will neutralize the blood bond.
Hey, Mama Ekpere, please, I beg you, please, let us stay here with you. Wed us if possible. Just please, wed us. Let me marry him and abscond with my love. I beg you.
I will never support that. I will just do as my spirit instructs.
Mama Mary.
Huh?
Now go inside. Let's see how it's going to be tomorrow.
Papa, I saw them. I saw as I was chasing them. This stupid Chinasa here, she poured sand into my eyes. And before I could get myself, they ran away. But I caught her.
Mazio Kabwe.
Oh?
The most appropriate thing is for us to leave now. Tomorrow will be better. Nwokolo, leave the girl alone.
Papa, let her go.
Leave her alone.
Wait. Chinasa or whatever you call yourself. I don't want to ever see you entering into my house again. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Get out of here. Get out.
Edika, I am very sorry. Like you said, tomorrow will be a better day.
Tomorrow will be better.
Adama, let's go.
You are my love, you are my life,
Love is the wisdom of the folly and folly of the wise. We don't really have a voice when our hearts have made choices.
You are a prophetess.
And you've always been.
How come you know this much about love?
I was once in love.
What?
Similar to what you are going through. But in different situations.
Oh wait, Mary, this is interesting. Please tell us more. We might learn something.
I left him for the call. I can't say no to the Most High. And the price I had to pay was losing him. Because I was instructed never to sleep with any man if I chose the mission. And being a direct instruction from the Most High, I chose the prophetic mission. He never remarried. I don't even know his whereabouts. I have never set my eyes on him since then. Though, sometimes I do see him in my vision, professing his love for me.
Mommy, Mary.
This is another kind of love story. And I'm telling
I sneaked out of my house and I hid around all this flock. I saw everything that happened. I have a plan.
Plan, Guinness.
I have a plan. Just come with me.
Is that
You are my love, my life. You are my love. You are my life.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Papa, what is it you say you want to tell me?
Yes, it's a good news. Yes.
What do you...
If the God's will, the love of your heart will be yours.
Really?
Yes. Look, Okaku is the man of his word.
That's great news, Papa. That's great news. Let me run along to see my friend.
Okay, it's all right.
That's great news, Papa.
I wait to see your return, son.
Thank you very much, Papa.
Hey.
Woman, I do not go to church. And I do not believe in any of your prophecies. I am not coming anywhere with you. Oh, I see. They have sent you to come and kill me. So that they will say it is the oath I took against the people of Amici that killed me.
Jesus. The voice calling you is not the voice of man. Come with me so that peace will reign and give chance to true love.
Woman, get out of here. Get out of here before I do something stupid. My child and my wife have been missing for days and I'm preparing to go to the camp of the enemy so that I will know what they did to them. Here talking about the voice of God or the voice of man. Get out of here before you invoke my anger.
Mazi, I have done like I was instructed. The rest lies with you. So come or follow the bad spirit that preaches to you.
Leave my house, someone.
Emmanuel.
Come on, move away before I get my gun.
Jesus.
Leave this place. You're talking about the voice of God or voice of man. Can you imagine? Don't come here again, else I'll blow your head off. Where were they when they shot me? If not for one thing, if not for just one thing, I will follow her. I know she knows where they are. I will track them through her. First, I need my machete. Yes, my machete.
That is the message. You have to come to the prayer house now.
I just have one word for you, woman.
Get out of my house. Quick.
I do not speak of my own power, but of he who sent me.
I don't care to know whoever sent you. I say leave my compound now. Get away. Are you still there? Sorry.
Charge.
Get.
Before we do
His house. That's it.
Your plans are good, and I support it. If only you know what love is all about. That is what they are going through now.
we have found out. Hence our decision to work together. Unlike our husbands, who prefer war.
Yes, That is absolutely our position.
I have a surprise for both of you.
Surprise?
Surprise? They are here.
Really? Come with me.
Ahanna! Chima! Chima! Chima!
I left them here. They slept here yesterday. I even spoke with them not quite long. I am surprised they could leave without letting me know.
There's no problem. If they come back, tell them they have our backing.
Yes. We will never ever let them find us out.
Let's see if the plan will work, or better still, what you've proposed.
Nwanyabere, we're the ones that carried them in this our womb. We know the pain. We shall not sit and watch them end up casualties of this unnecessary rancor. Trust me, I am part of their lives.
I don't understand. As in, how can Nwanyebere, our own trusted Nwanyebere, betray us just like that? How?
She said our parents refused to heed her call for the peace meeting. Only for us to see our mother sneaking into the compound. After she assured us that no one would know we were there, she was going to red us and help us flee.
I don't understand. My love, it seems like you and I are on our own. We're all by ourselves now since Nwanyebere of all people that was supposed to be on our side has abandoned us.
It's okay, my love. We'll be fine. We shall make it.
Will, I promise you.
Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life.
Chinelo, my friend, let's continue with our plans.
They can pull me, they can pull me, but they will never pull me away from you. They
am Wokolo, the son of Edika. You are holding my wife. Provide my wife now, or you will know no peace.
They are not here. I wish I know their whereabouts.
Whiteberry, you've been operating in this community peacefully. If you want to continue that way, you better provide my wife now. Else, I will go to my kindred and bring 2 youths and will burn down this place.
I have no reason to lie. They are not here. Let me tell you something, young man. She is so in love with Ahanna. And as it stands, I don't think there is anything that can separate them.
You lie! You lie! Hi, Wokolo. I am that thing that has already separated them. She has been married to me. And a bright price has been paid. The entire youth of Umwich are behind me. Unless you forget, the people of Umwizu are our enemies. Provide my wife now that you are still standing on your 2 feet.
Like I told you, young man, love knows no enemy. Neither does it recognize one. If you think you are the tool to be used to separate them, go ahead and look for them and separate them. Oh, Emmanuel!
Why, brother? Why not provide my wife now? Those that did not want you, provide my wife. Who will burn down this place? Why, brother?
My love, let the rain fall endlessly. Let the sun shine without ceasing. Even if the skies rumble and lightning strikes endlessly, nothing will ever change my love for you.
When I look into your eyes, all I see is me. The day love ends for us is the day I breathe no more.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You are my life. You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my
Chinelo, where are you going?
I am going to where I'll find you.
Where could that go?
You want me to tell you? I will not tell you. Because if I do, the next minute you come there with your work, I will live with my son Ahanna. At least where he will stay peacefully and enjoy his life and go to school. So that I will leave you and your so-called Okabwe and the people of Umuchu to kill yourself.
Chinelo, how do you think I would possibly feel without my wife for a whole night? And then my son for the past 2 days?
I want to say, are you the one saying this? I want to say, so you have feelings.
What do you think I am? A stone? Rock? Or even wood?
If you have feelings, then consider our son a young boy of today, a youth. The way he is feeling towards the love he has for Timma.
Oh, Okabwe shot at me, my darling. Okabwe shot at me. He wanted me dead. His wife is even worse. Now, they want to get at me through you. Don't you get it?
Off I go. I will only come back to this house when there is peace.
Chinelo, I command you to stop. If you step on it, Chinelo, you cease to be my wife. And don't even bother coming back to this place. Chinelo, you dare walk out on me. The lion of it with you. Chinelo, Chinelo, don't invoke the lion in me. Come back, Chinelo.
I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my love.
Meaning?
Now this place is not conducive for me and my daughter. I am going to where will be safer for us. That's what it means.
Azuka,
Iruka.
where are you hiding my daughter? And what game are you playing with the wife of my enemy? Or are you now one of them?
I don't care what you feel. I don't care the way you feel. Even if you see me as your enemy, I do not care.
I still maintain my stand. I am living and I am living.
Azuka.
Iruka.
If you dare leave this company,
man.
I will go out there and marry another wife.
Go on now, we're not checking it.
Did you hear me? You will never come back. What are you waiting for? Go and get married. It's alright. Go. Listen, bet me. You will never come back. Before you come back, another woman, another wife will come here. Go. I said go. It's alright, go. Why better come out here? Why better come out here? Why better? I said come out here right now. Why better? Come out here.
Go in there, bring out Chima, our sister, and the wife to our brother out. Else we burn this house.
My people, they are not here. They are not.
You lie. You are a liar.
I know you are against me.
You can go inside.
Guys, go inside and check for her.
Go and check inside.
I know you are hiding her from me.
My son, they are not here.
They are not here.
They are not here.
They are not here.
Yes.
I know you must be hiding her in the bush or somewhere. But we'll find her. You know, I don't trust this woman. Check the neighboring compounds. Let's go. Let's check this side.
God of Elijah. Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
When you were, I had to greet so many people. You know our people.
I was like, what was holding you?
This fire is fresh. There must be somewhere around here.
They're after us.
How did they know we took this direction?
And the truth is, no one can locate this route except through Wanyebere's place.
And you think she called them?
Nothing is impossible. After all, she promised to help us hide, but she ended up calling our mothers. It's possible she's the one that told Mokolo and the other youths where we are. Maybe they threatened her or something.
Wanyebeere of all people. Why?
The problem is not even Mokolo and the youths, but Ahana and Chima living without letting me know their whereabouts. Our plan would have worked out perfectly if they had been around.
I believe that before night, they will return.
Yes. The vision, crisscrossing, does not suggest that.
What do you see then, Onyamama?
You have to go inside first. Rest. Prepare something. Eat and make merry. I have someone to pray for at Abomene. I have to go now.
Crisscrossing. Vision. Can it be Yanka?
Yeah.
Don't tell me these people succeeded in luring her away.
She's the agent. But they can never get me, or any of us, unless I'm not the lion of Umizu.
This is too bad. This is not the Chinelo I know.
I am done and over with her. She will never return into this house again. Never again.
What of our now, our son?
If he's really my son,
he will return the same way he left. Because a lion beget a lion.
My son and the youths are looking for them in the bush.
My daughter has brought shame on this. But it is over.
Over?
Yes. Please, you will accompany me to somewhere later in the evening after the rains.
Yes,
please.
In that case, I will remain here till the rain is over.
Good then. Thank you very much.
Let me sit down here.
Let me get you some drinks.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Guys, we must apply plan B. You know what? We position ourselves at strategic positions. I'm sure before 9:4 they will come out. And when they come out, we'll grab them.
Yes, that's it. So let's separate ourselves now before it gets late.
See, what I know is that wherever they are, we must find them. Let's just be vigilant. You, go this way. You go this way. We'll meet at the last station. Let's go.
They can pull me, but they will never pull me away from you. They can do what they like, but I really don't care as long as I'm with you. You are my love, you are my life, you are the one I'm living.
Azoka, do you know I never knew that this crisis will bring us this close?
Do you know I had forgotten? Before the onset of this crisis, and his accompanying oath, that Ngomabu Chinelo used to be my best customer at Eke Market.
Azoka, and I remember. How did all this nonsense crisis blind us to this extent?
You know why? Crisis leads to only one thing. Ofife, destruction.
Ukunuka choka.
Azoka, that was
Do you know that my husband threatened me that I should not come back to his house again? I said, Chinelo, no now, I know my work. And he stayed one night without Chinelo. He will survive it.
Mine said he's going to get married today. But I'm daring him. If he sees a woman that is nice and humble like I am,
hey! My dear, our priority now is our children's happiness. That's all. That's all.
What the men failed to achieve, we will.
One.
I greet you, ma. My daughter, are you alright? Yes, ma. I just want to know if they had returned. Where I see them is very far. And that's all I can say for now. But will they return? Chinasa, go home and rest. Time will tell. Okunerere, kajiyo famubu. Okunerere.
Tell me this will one day be over.
Yes. As long as I'm with you, my love.
Even if it means running and hiding forever?
As long as I'm with you, Obi.
That's the very reason I'm in love with you.
You stole my heart. And I say I'm proud of you.
You and I together Very comfortable.
Very.
Sugar, 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 ni buga pama, imnatumaka. Sugar, 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 ni buga pama, igwabama. Sugar, 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 ni buga pama, inebamana. Sugar, 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 ni buga pama.
Yes! Hey! Yes.
My sweet husband.
Here we are. You are welcome to my little home of no regret.
It's really a home of no regret. My husband, you know this house, it looks like the house I used to watch on TV then.
Yes, of course.
Very, very fine.
Very nice. That's good, yes.
Do you have something like kai kai or dry gin inside? Go and bring it fast. I need to ginger my swagger.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, shekuri. Kai. Or hot?
Hot drink, karaka. Emma.
Excuse me. Oh, shekuri.
My husband, what is the problem?
So, you drink alcohol?
My sweet husband. You know, sometimes you need to step down to ginger your swagger. You know, just like, since you don't have any drink, let me check. I used to have something around. My sweet husband. That is it. You know.
Hey!
Obago. You want some?
How?
You need my
Hey, whoa.
Don't worry, I will help you do.
Hey, whoa.
My love! What?
My love!
What happened? Talk to me. What?
My trap caught 2 fishes.
Go. And you almost made me feel something had happened to you.
Seems like it's your favorite. Time
for lunch.
I know. Okay.
And let me go outside. Let me help you finish.
No. Let me do the washing. You know we don't have soap and I know how to wash with style.
You win.
I know.
Oh.
Not.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
I feel they might come back today.
I can't wait to see them back.
I'll be the happiest person on earth if they come back today.
I see familiar hands. I pray it does not lead to tears.
Familiar hands, what? Eh?
Enemies, hey, in the borderline. Yeah. When I was in 1990. Dry gin. Obara.
Yeah, Adama. What do you think you are doing? What is wrong with you? Eh? Which responsible woman will start a new day drinking ogogoro, kankai, apatashi, and even smoking? Hey! Listen, I married you into this house to spite my former wife. And here you are, turning a nightmare. What is wrong with you? Yes, I want to know.
Let me tell you something. I have come into this house. I have come to stay. This is my territory. When you married me, you didn't ask what killed my former husband.
Your former husband? Now tell me, what killed your former husband?
Oh yeah. You want to know?
Yes, I want to know.
I'll tell you. But let me take one for the road, huh?
Hey! What is it? Eh? You are telling us a room in this house.
You are a useless man. I'm coaching you up. Where are you going? Tell me where are you going?
I am tired of you in this house. I don't want to marry you again. What is it? Let me go and look for my wife today, no. So that I'll bring her back to the house again. What is it? You're just a terror.
Hey! You're a
terror. Leave me alone.
You knew you would not marry me again and you slept with me last night. You see, you must marry me. Oh! So you are just realizing I'm a terror, yeah?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to marry you. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Leave me. I'm a lion, no? I'm a lion. I'm a lion.
Let me show you the power of a lioness.
Hey, abomination!
My love, it's not too deep. Okay, this is too deep, and this is too soft. Here. Yeah, I think I found us a part. Exactly. We go through this river, all the way, and get to the other side. We'll get to Odongene land. I am very sure of it. Odongene. My father has told me about it before. If we get to Odongene, you and I can settle down and start making plans to get married. Send a message across to our parents, and who knows? By the time they get it, we might have our own child.
I Anything to be with you for the rest of my life is okay. Obiam.
Anna! Hey! Hey, stop there! Stop there! Stop there! If you make a move, I will cut off your neck. Just...
Oh, so this is where you've been hiding. You think you're smart?
No!
You are the one that will go!
No,
you are the one that will go!
Go where?
You are going!
You are with me!
Hey!
Hey!
You
are my husband!
Okay.
You are not going anywhere!
Hey! No, you are the one that will go! You are going somewhere!
I am not going anywhere! Yes!
You are going, no?
Go where?
I want to go for my former wife. No, she's better than you. She's better than you, far better than you.
Shut up, Mama!
I said, leave me alone!
Mama, chicken.
Hey,
Mishono.
Okay.
Let me tell you, I have seen a roof over my head. And a weak man at that. So I am not going anywhere.
Who is a weak man?
You are a weak man.
No, with all these things under here.
Mama,
no, I am a weak man.
Mama,
you are telling lies. I said, leave me alone.
Are you still talking? I can't. No. Let's move. Move it.
I am going again. No, you are the one that you go.
Weak man.
You are going. It's all right. Okay.
You want to hit me?
No.
You want to hit me?
You are the one that you go.
Hey, you must bring a he-goat before I will get up from here. You must bring a he-goat. Hey, I'm going to call the whole village together. Then we gather and hang you at the village square if you don't do it.
Look at you, useless man. I will not only bring a he-goat, I will bring a she-cow. You thought I'm a cheap woman up here? The 4 men that came to marry me before, they could not withstand me and they ran away. Look at you, Ikulaka na tipa buacha. Ikulaka makipa swim you can tipa go in an kita. Look at this useless man. I thought they said you are the strongest man in English. Oh, look at you lying like a woman on the front.
I'm a lion. I'm the lion of people. Don't let me get up right here. If it's not because of this injury on my leg, you would have seen what Amalusia will do to you. Go and bring that goat now. If not, I'm going to scream. And they will gather. And they will hang you.
You want to scream? It's right simple. I can tell you, let me help
Prayer woman, I am letting you go because I know you're not a troublemaker. For your information, both of them are in our possession. If you do anything in aiding them to escape, you will smell doom. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Go. Go.
Ijika. Ijika.
Okay, wait, my leader.
I need your help.
What's the problem?
Ijika, the woman you accompanied me to marry yesterday is a terror. Very big terror, Ijika. I want to take her back to her parents. Please, you will help me. Help me, please.
Why? Why?
Ijika, what is why? What is why? I want my wife back. Please, I want her back. I do not care what she does with Agbalusa's wife anymore. I want my wife now, please. Help me, Biko.
Your daughter, my son's wife, is in the house at the moment.
What?
My son will soon be back. He might know where your wife is.
Tell me, you are not joking. Yeah? Wokolo, my great son-in-law. Please. Please, I am looking for my wife. I am looking for my wife. Did you see her?
Sir, my wife is inside. She's locked up in the room. I caught her with that dog, Ayana. He was trying to take her away to the neighboring village, and I caught them. So I brought her home. That's Ayana. I've tied him inside the bush so he can die there.
Very good. Very, very good. But my wife. I am looking for my wife. I want her back. Please.
Is your wife missing?
I am looking for her. She is missing. I can't find her. I want her now.
Okay. Not to worry. I will help you find your wife. But first of all, let me go and feed my wife.
It's okay. Please, I need her as fast as possible. Please.
Not to worry.
Help me. Oh?
Not to worry.
Biko. Hey! Hey!
Okay,
my brother. Please, talk to your son to help me. Eh? I will come back later. I will come back again. Hey!
The spirit directed me here. You need to keep quiet. I am under intense threat. Now, run to that uncompleted building beside the secondary school. I have rescued her too.
You rescued her?
Yes. I shall be there with you to tell you what to do to end this thing once and for all.
Wait. So, does it mean you're not responsible for...
That wrong assumption would have ended your life and love. Now, you have to go. I will join you there. Run! Run, be a man, run.
Thank you very much.
I shall join you there.
Thank you.
I shall join you there.
Papa, she's missing.
Missing?
She's missing.
Missing? How come? The door was locked. I've been sitting here all through.
Papa, I told you to watch over her now. Papa, I locked her properly inside the room. She could have escaped without the help of someone.
This is strange. Just the time we are thinking it is over, it is beginning again.
But she's... Papa, I must go and look for her. I must find her.
Hey!
Small devil, come here. And you, come here, you bigot. Have you seen my wife? Because I saw her last with your wife. And I am looking for mine too. I need her to send away a demon that I brought to my house. I brought a woman to my house not knowing she was a demon. Hey! So, all of us are facing the same fate. I brought one too. That's not what I'm asking. Where's my wife? Where's my too? Come here. Come.
That is the plan. Let everyone go home. Relax. Calm down. Pretend like all is normal till the plan happens. Wrong as it is, that is the only feasible way to end this once and for all.
We shall do as you instructed.
Yes. Thank you very much for coming up with this kind of plan.
Thank you very much for all you have done to save our love.
Emmanuel!
My boy, we shall be forever grateful for this.
Emmanuel! Emmanuel!
Calm down, my son. Oh, calm down, calm down. I have a good news for you. Ichoko came to tell me last night that Chima and her mother are back home and they would love to see us today.
They would love to see us?
Yes.
But, Papa, do you know why they want to see us?
I think she has agreed to lay off the enemy and marry you.
Eh? Are you serious? Yes. Papa, you're joking. Are you serious?
No, this is no joke. I'm real.
She marry me?
Yes.
Oh, Papa, I'm so happy. Papa, I knew. Oh, Papa. I knew she would marry me. Papa, you're too. Go. My family is back. And I will never allow them to separate from me again. Never again. So.
I will go.
Papa. Sorry. It's okay.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I am. Sorry.
Thank God she's gone. Good riddance. I want to assure you that I really have parted ways with Chima. Yes, we both agreed to go our separate ways so that we can end this war and there will be peace.
Better, my son. I told Udoka that if you were my son, you would come back the same way you left. And now that has happened. And to you, my wife, Chinelo. Like I said yesterday, I'm sorry. There would never be another woman like you. Chimo.
Mama.
Sorry, I promise I'll never walk out on you again.
Chimo, it's okay.
Look at these people. What of me?
Okay, let's go inside and celebrate. Okay.
You are my love. You are my life.
So please, please. You go, mom. Hey, my beautiful wife.
You evil man. By the time I will be done with you, oh, you will regret me. Oh, don't think that you have won, no? Because she will still run away and you will come back to me. Then I will deal with you.
Get out. Go away from this place. Go away. If we're...
Please, my wife, my daughter, I want to thank you so much. You have returned.
You see, what sweets me, Moses, is that you have accepted. I am very, very happy.
Listen, my daughter, I am going to do anything you ask from me. Yes.
No problem. Just that I want a proper marriage ceremony to Mokolo. So I'll ask for some days so I'll be able to prepare and arrange myself. After the marriage, I will then move into his house like a woman of...
Oh, nice. Oh, can you hear that? I'm like a woman of honor. You will move in. You will move in. Don't worry. Everything is all right. You can go in and have your rest. Go and sleep.
Hey! Never mind. Ma. Oh! The beauty of all beauty. What spend me motive? God, he just wasted with all this waste. Hey! Thank you, Yanukuya. Yanukuya, oh, Jimana.
What a tragedy.
I am speechless.
By drinking poison. Abalosia. Arrange the youths to take him to the evil forest. Same fate applies to Chima, the daughter of Okabwe, who killed herself a day before her marriage. What a double tragedy.
As was tradition in our land since the time of our great-grandfather, having committed suicide by drinking poison, Chima and Ahana, we deposit your bodies in this Ajofia. Let the evil forest take away the evil that led both of you into clean yourselves and granting you grace into the next world, that you may live happily than how you did in this brief stay. Ajofia kwaja na kwaja di agaba na nura ni na tawa. Ibalulu ki na mo ibalulu ka na afia. Ibajulu na chi jerugo bila tulanu na ba. Ewe kurabu. Arumara janu apa bugi sijakene. Arumara janu bugi sijakene.
My people, the gods have decreed that the land in contention belongs to both Umuichi and Umuizu, and also that the land was shared equally. And a big ceremony shall be held on the third day.
to end anarchy and rancor that caused the crisis. Go now and do as I command.
Where are these women now? They should come out. No, the dance group, everybody's already at the village square.
Don't you know what they are? Come out, all of you.
Carry on this thing.
How do we go about this?
Just wasting time. What's going on?
They are alive. Huh? We planned it. I gave them some herbs that made them breathless. Huh? And the bottle of poison that was beside them that day was just to make it real. I had a vision that the judgment of this land will come out this way. So I took them away from the evil forest to a safe place till this day. Now that we have peace, can we give chance to true love?
Can we give chance to true love?
Let's give chance to true love!
But they will never pull me away from you. They can do what they like, but I really don't care as long as I'm with you. You are my love, you are my life, you are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my love, you are my life. You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. Shine, I'm yours, you're mine.